So we are hearing a lot of news about the next Galaxy flagship, the S22 series. Now, according to Let's Go Digital, the ex-Samsung employee saying that Samsung might be planning to equip all the S22 models globally with the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 chipset, and they will skip using the much-hyped Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU. Now, that is kind of bad. Now, if this happens, then this will be the first for Samsung, which usually launches Galaxy flagships globally powered by its own Exynos processors, aside from few markets like US and China, where the device is powered by Qualcomm chipsets. Now, for example, the current model, the S21 lineup, comes with Snapdragon 888 chip in the markets like US, Canada, China, and Japan. And everywhere else, it's powered by the Exynos 2100 chipset. The upcoming Snapdragon 898 announcement has been scheduled for November 30. We also saw the whole specs of the upcoming chipset. The chip uses the same architecture as its predecessor, the Snapdragon 888. But then why no Exynos this year? The reason for this is the global chip shortage, which is affecting the whole industry since the pandemic. And on top of that, according to SuperRoader, manufacturing the Exynos 2200 with AMD GPU chipset has proven to be quite challenging for Samsung. And there simply wouldn't be enough chips manufactured in time for the Galaxy S22's release, which is also leaked recently, right? But according to famous tipster IceUniverse, some digital will still get the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra or the S22 series with the Exynos 2200 powered by AMD GPU. Now, why that's a big deal this year? Well, the upcoming Exynos 2200 will feature, as I said, AMD GPU with RDNA 2 architecture and ray tracing capabilities, which according to many past rumors will be a capable chipset this year at the very least, or might be game-changing for Samsung. But still, whether or not it will be on par with the Snapdragon 898 in terms of performance, it's too early to say, because these two chips will be almost identical in terms of CPU configurations, aside from the differences like clock speeds. The biggest differentiator would be the GPU. Yes, the Exynos will come with AMD GPU and the Snapdragon with the all-new Adreno 730. And this is probably the biggest surprise of these two chips. So yeah, we have to wait. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. jointheavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.